Absolutely. Driving a vehicle can be stalled into a few essential advances. Here is an improved on guide. 1. Before you start. Change your seat. Guarantee you can arrive at the pedals serenely. Change mirrors. Set side and back view mirrors to get a reasonable view. Lock in. Consistently wear your safety belt. 2. Beginning the vehicle. Embed key or press button. Turn the vital in the start or press the beginning button. Current vehicles. Brake pedal. Keep your foot on the brake pedal. 3. Changing gears, for manual transmission. Grasp in. In the event that your vehicle has a manual transmission, press the grip pedal. Gear shift. Move the stuff change to the ideal gear, first if beginning, or opposite for support up. Grasp out. Slowly discharge the grip while delicately squeezing the gas pedal. 4. Changing gears, for program transmission. Brake pedal. Keep your foot on the brake. Gear shift. Move the stuff shift to drive or D. 5. Speeding up. Gas pedal. Progressively press the gas pedal to begin moving. 6. Directing. Hold directing wheel. Utilize 2 hands to grasp the controlling wheel. Blinkers. Utilize the blinkers to show your aims. 7. Slowing down. Brake pedal. Step by step press the brake pedal to dial back or stop. 8. Stopping. Shift to stop. Programmed move the stuff shift to P. Draw in leaving brake. Set the leaving brake to get the vehicle. 9. Turning. Use blinkers. Demonstrate your aim to turn. Steer without a hitch. Turn the directing wheel bit by bit. 10. Submit to traffic rules. Stop signs and traffic signals. Reach a standstill at stop signs and submit to traffic signals. 11. Practice. Practice in a protected region. Practice in an unfilled parking area or calm road prior to driving in rush hour gridlock. 12. Keep even-tempered and centered. Remain alert. Focus on your environmental factors and different drivers. Keep cool-headed. Don't let pressure or tension influence your driving. Keep in mind, practice is vital to turning into a certain driver. Begin in a protected climate, make it stride by step, and slowly construct your abilities. Continuously observe traffic guidelines and be circumspect of different drivers out and about.